Evonicfires would like to introduce our latest innovation in heating for the home, Halo. In this short video, we will explain the concept behind Halo and how to control your fire through our newly developed and easy-to-use app, eSmart. So how does it all work? We'll show you. It all starts with our server, Evonet. Evonet connects to your device, which then communicates with your Evonicfire. This technology allows our Halo fires to be connected to your Wi-Fi and in turn connects it to the internet. The setup process only takes a few minutes, and once it is completed, will make controlling your fire as easy as scrolling through the latest news or social media. Once your fire is installed, turn the power switch to the on position. Then open the Wi-Fi settings on your device and select your fire. This will connect the fire to your router. If you haven't already, download the eSmart app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Open the settings panel and select your wireless connection. Your fire is now paired and ready for you to enjoy. By then using your eSmart app on your device, you can control every feature of your fire at the touch of a button. Let me show you how easy it is. On the app home screen, you can turn on the lighting and the heat. If you want to choose a different animation or change the temperature, simply press the temperature box to open your fire's main control screen. In the drop-down box, you can select one of our 6 preset animations. Still, breathe, spectrum, embers, Odyssey, or Aurora. To increase or decrease the temperature, swipe the temperature gauge up or down. Press the side lights button to turn the tile illumination off or on. Adjust the brightness of your lighting effects by swiping to the left or right. And by pressing the running man icon, you can adjust the speed of your flame effect and side lights. Amazingly, you can even sync your Halo fire to Google Home or Amazon Alexa, so you can turn up the heat or set the mood without even picking up your phone. Alexa, turn the fire on. Alexa, change animation to still. Our Halo fires are available in stylish suites, built-in models and contemporary stoves that perfectly fit into any living space.